Here is a shortcut method for conversion of binary to hexadecimal. Okay, so as you all know that binary number system consists of zeros and ones, and hexadecimal is include 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, so A is nothing but 10 and F represents 15. And in order to convert any binary to hexadecimal, we need to follow two steps. Okay, so this is regarding shortcut methods for the conversion of binary to hexadecimal. What we have to do? So in first step we have to divide the binary digits into group of 4. Okay, so as we did in the binary to octal conversion, that is group of 3 numbers, but when you want to convert any binary to hexadecimal, that is group of 4 numbers. Okay, then that groups must be start from right side. Right to left we need to group the digits. Okay, in second step we need to convert each group into one hexadecimal equivalent digit. Okay, so after grouping of the 4 digits, then we need to find out a single hexadecimal digit. Okay, so now we'll see a table which helps you to use shortcut methods in order to convert any binary values into hexadecimal conversion. Okay, so in hexadecimal, as we all know that it consists of 0 to 15. Okay, so 0 to 9 is decimal number, and then A to F is nothing but 10 to 15. Okay, so in this it needs to be grouped into 4, so that we need to take 8421 format. If it is octal in the sense, then we have to take only 4 to 1. 4 to 1, that is 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, but we are converting binary to hexadecimal, so that it must be 0 to 15. That's why 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15. Okay, so now we'll see a equivalent value of hexadecimal to binary. So in order to convert any hexadecimal to binary or binary to hexadecimal, this table needs to be followed. Okay, so 0 is nothing but 4 zeros. No need to add any value which is reside in this format. Okay, how can we write hexadecimal of 1 to binary number system? So we can add this only 1, so that every remaining 3 will be zeros, then 1 will be represented as 1. Okay, then how to represent this 2 to binary? 0 0 1 0. Okay, for 3 0 0 1 1, for 4 0 1 0 0, for 5 0 1 0 1. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5, then 6, we need to add 4 and 2, so that remaining 2 values becomes what? 0. That's why 0 1 1 0. Then for 7, as you all know that it is 111, so that 0 111. Then for 8 we need to follow 8421 format, so I can individually take this 8, so that 1 000. Okay, so in order to get 9, we need to add 8 and 1, so that 1 0 1. Okay, for 10 1 0 1 0, 8 plus 2 10. Okay, for 11 8 plus 2 plus 1 10 plus 1, so that 1 0 1 1. For 12 8 plus 4 is enough, so that 1 1 0 0. Okay, for 13 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 0, then 1, so that becomes 13. For 14 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1, then 0. For 15 it is 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this is the table format that you need to be memorized. Okay, so now we'll see a problem, then how to convert any given binary to octal or hexadecimal. So in this we are converting binary to hexadecimal, that is group of 4. So in this problem we need to convert the given binary to hexadecimal. Okay, what was the first step? First we need to divide the given digits into group of 4, so that grouping must be start from right to left. Okay, first we have to take this one, then this becomes what? 1 0 1 1. Okay, after that these 4 values up to this one, these 4 values, then remaining 4 values. Okay, that is 1101. So what is the equivalent value of this one? 1011. So where we have that one? 1011 here, that is 11. So equivalent value is 11. Okay, and 1111, that is nothing but what? 15. Okay, then 1101, what will be the value? 1101 is nothing but 13. Okay, so as you all know that what is 11? 11 is nothing but B. Okay, and then this 15 is nothing but F. Then 13 is nothing but what? D. So this is most significant bit, this is least significant bit. Okay, so the answer must be written from this way. So the value will be what? D, F, B of base 16. The equivalent value of this is nothing but D, F, B. Okay, so conversion must be from right to left, but we need to write the values from MSB to LSB. Okay, so now we'll see another example. Grouping must be starts from right to left. Okay, so in this, these 4 values, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 values, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 values. So we are left out with 11. Okay, so in order to fulfill the criteria, we need to add 2 zeros. Okay, then this becomes what? 0011. So now we have to write from this way, so that 0011, which is equivalent to some value, then 0001, 0110, then this one 1010. Okay, so what is the equivalent value? So we need to follow 8421 format, so that this becomes what? 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then this is 1, and 4 plus 2, this is 6. Then 8 plus 2, that is 10. But we are converting the binary to hexadecimal. So what is the value of 10 in hexadecimal? That is A. Okay, so that the output will be what? 316A of base 16. Okay, so from MSB to LSB we have to write MSB to LSB. So this is most significant bit and this is last significant bit, but grouping must be start from right to left. So we are if we are have a shortage with the numbers, group of 4 numbers, then we need to add zeros to the left of the given binary value. Okay, so the equivalent value of this binary to hexadecimal is 316A, that is base 16. Okay, so this is a shortcut method for conversion of binary to hexadecimal number. Thank you.